Chalo assembly echoed in the streets of Hyderabad. Students and Telangana supporters determined to get their voice heard in the assembly in response to a call by the Telangana Joint Action Committee despite permission being denied for the march. A nervous government opting to use police and security forces to muzzle the attempt. Hyderabad converted into a veritable war zone with over 10,000 police personnel resorting to mass arrests and lathi charges. The entire state was under a clampdown with trains halted, schools and colleges shut.
Is this a democratic way it's functioning or is it a British Raj? Under the Indian constitution, there is an opportunity to protest. This kind of a protest.
Excuse me, we have come to the assembly.
In a dramatic turn of events, two TRS leaders climbed to the top of a building within the assembly's premises and placed a black flag there. Brought down, an hour later, they were arrested. The assembly has been adjourned till Monday with the TRS, BJP and the CPI interrupting the House over the Telangana issue. But the Congress says a decision on Telangana will be taken only after the assembly session is over. But the state Congress stood divided over the issue.
The government can't say it is a success because indirectly, whatever the JSC has told, whatever JSC, they want to, the rally should be success. Indirectly, it was success.
The left and the BJP cornered the Kiran Kumar government on the issue.
तेलंगाना के सवाल पर वहां के तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति के लोगों को केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल में लिया जाता है, फिर निकाल बाहर किया जाता है। मैं समझता हूं कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की यह नीति देशघातक है।
कांग्रेस ने धोखा दिया है तेलंगाना की जनता के साथ, भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ किया है और मुझे लगता है इसीलिए तेलंगाना में जो एक नया उबाल आया है वो इसीलिए है कि अब बहुत हो गया, इनफ इज इनफ। जिस तरह से कांग्रेस ने 10 साल उस धोखा किया है, अगर वो स्पेशल सेशन की बात करते हैं तो तेलंगाना का बिल क्यों नहीं लाते? तेलंगाना का बिल लाइए, हम समर्थन देंगे।
TRS President K. Chandrasekhar Rao has called for a shutdown in Telangana region on Saturday in protest against the police crackdown. Bureau Report, DD News.